In the heart of Brazil, something extraordinary is being built. At the Volkswagen factory in Taubaté, São Paulo, a new era begins with the birth of the SUVW Tera, an innovative, connected, and 100% Brazilian-designed SUV that's redefining what it means to drive an SUV in South America. But this isn't just the story of a new vehicle, it's the story of transformation. With over 260 new direct jobs, 40% of them held by women, and more than 2,600 indirect roles created throughout the supply chain, the Tera is igniting local economies and shaping the future of mobility. Its production is a symbol of modern industrial power. The Taubaté plant now features 875 robots, including 347 newly installed for the Tera, revolutionizing efficiency, precision, and safety at every step. And innovation goes beyond automation. Volkswagen is pioneering sustainability, using biomethane as a renewable energy source in its painting process, cutting CO2 emissions by up to 99%. With 80% of its components made in Brazil, the SUVW Tera supports 241 part suppliers, including 21 companies from the Vale do Paraíba region. In 2025 alone, the model will account for 3.23 billion reais in parts purchases, 12% of VW Brazil's total. This is not just a car. It's a movement. Fully developed, engineered, and assembled in Brazil, the Tera stands as the most significant launch for Volkswagen in South America in recent years. And soon, it will travel beyond borders, reaching over 20 countries across 2 continents. From the same plant that gave life to legends like the Gol, the Passat, and today's best-selling Polo, the Tera carries on the legacy of excellence and innovation.